Okay. So for this one, in this chat, please write positive words of praise to you, to yourself. I mean, and as to your and as many friends as possible in 3 minutes. Jadi kalian punya waktu 3 menit untuk tulis positive words of praise untuk diri kalian sendiri, to you, and to as many friends as possible in 3 minutes. For example, lihat contohnya. Asti and Aisyah, great job with consistent attendance and past participation. Viola, you're wonderful. No, feel free. It's 3 minutes for you to chat, to write in the chat box a word of praise. Misalnya, Mutia, thanks for always look at the example. Always. Aduh, ini susah banget ya. Iya, Allah. This is example. So please type in the chat box, everyone. As many friends as possible. Coba, come on. For example, to Wanda. Where are you going, Real? Mau kemana, Real? Where are you living? Okay. Ellie, you read something for Sophie? Let's go. Mana yang lain? Come on, 3 minutes from now. Kita masih ada waktu nih. Ini baru 8.52. 8.55 gitu. I love myself because I've never been insecure. Yes. Good job, Adija. Harus gitu dong. Bunga. Wait, who is Bunga? I don't know. Ada namanya Bunga ya? Siapa yang Bunga? Siapa Bunga, Mam? Oh, ada teman curhat. Si? Nggak boleh yang harus ada di sini, Mam. Ulang, Mam. You've got to write your comments to your friends here in CTF and the class. Oke. Aisyah curhat sama Abida dan Rara karena sering saya marahin. Oke. Okay. Okay. So take your time, yeah. So everyone, take your time to read what your friends write for you, atau to read what your friends write for, you know, your other friends. Okay. That's it. Aul. Oh, Aul sama Wanda. Oh yeah. Okay. Fajar and Desta. Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you, Jane. You're teaching everyone your friends math. That's very sweet of you. Okay. Jane baik budi kali mau ngajar ke teman-temannya. Okay. Cool. Aisyah, Abi, and Rara. Mana yang lain? I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Come on. Come on. Okay. Take your time reading what your friends write, and that's what I don't know, I hope it's something that can make your day for this morning, change your mood, yeah, after you get something sincerely conveyed by your friends, praise for you, Sophie and all. Okay, okay, cool. Wanda insecure? Wanda asik nonton K-pop aja. Apa nggak insecure dia? Alright. Thank you everyone for sharing your thought and giving praise to your friends and even to yourself. That's very good job. Thank you. I'm wondering for this one, so give me thumbs up if you have best friends. Do you mind sharing their names in the chat box? So please give me thumbs up if you have best friends. Ada punya best friend? BFF? Okay, do you mind sharing their name in the chat box? If you do not mind, that's okay. If you mind, it's okay. If you don't mind, please share in the chat box. Ada yang mau share kah? Oh, nggak ada ya. Okay, thank you. So what we're gonna have for today, yeah, learning objectivenya adalah to explain that we had this one in the previous meeting, the difference between the formal and informal letter, but I'm going to review a little bit, and then we have the you are able to explain the social function of the informal letters or the personal letters in this case, and to write the letters in the right context and to reply the letter correctly at the end of the day. So the class rules, the expectation, you open or turn on your camera and participate in the discussion, respect and appreciate your friends. So guys, please turn on your camera. Ayo, ayo. It's good to talk to you in the face. Then I don't talk to the wall. Kan biar enak, lebih enak kalau ngobrol langsung daripada saya lihat komputer. It's like I'm talking to nobody. Then I become insecure. I thought that I am weird because I talk to nobody. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is our agenda today. We have the do now already. I told you the learning objective. I explained about the class rules and agenda, and let's move to the topic today. It's about the informal letters. For informal letters, I'm going to play a video. Okay, I'm going to play a video. So you have to watch the video and please pay attention on what's going on in the video. What's the problem? What is the issue raised or discussed in the video? And how is the feeling of the writer show in the video? Apa sih yang ada apa sih sebenarnya di itunya, di videonya, kemudian gimana sih perasaannya, ya? So pay attention on these two questions. After watching the video, please come back. I want few of you to tell me what you get from the video. Kedengaran kan?
Kedengeran, Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Dear best friend, I hope that you're good, genuinely good. Since you've been gone, it has not been easy. want to say thank you. Even though it broke me into a million pieces when you left, I want to say thank you. Even though I miss you every day, I want to say thank you. Thank you for inspiring me to face my fears. You make me want to be better. You make me want to work on myself. And even though doing this without you by my side is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do, I'm doing it. And I wish you could see me. I wish you could be here to see me transform into this new person. But you're not here. I just hope you're proud of me. I'm not mad. I'm just in pain. But what's the sun without a little rain, right? I once told you I could conquer the world with just one hand, as long as you were holding the other. Now all I have is the thought of you holding it. But I will still conquer the world, no matter where you are. I will stay strong and stand tall, because I know you wouldn't want to see me fall. Whatever success I'm celebrating, I will always think of you first, because you're my biggest inspiration, and I want you to be proud of me. I just want you to be proud of me. But I want you to keep going too. I want you to win, even though I can't be there to celebrate with you. I want you to love yourself. I want you to be yourself. Be the light you want to see in the world. You have everything that you need inside of you. But you know that. I told you more than enough. But I want you to always remember. I hope you remember my words when you feel alone. I hope you remember all the words I told you when you were down on yourself. And I hope you'll find the strength to pick yourself back up if you ever fall. I know you can. I know you will. The person I saw inside of you can handle it all. You're strong. You're intelligent. You're wonderful. You can move mountains if you want to. You should believe in yourself, because I believe in you. And no matter what happens, no matter what you do, no matter where you are in the world, and no matter where I am, I will always love you. And that will never change. Maybe I am the sun, and you're the moon. But even they can be seen together in the same sky sometimes. Until we meet again. Take care.
Okay, let's back to the slide. So, where's my slide? Oh my God. Okay, so what's going on in the video and how's the feeling of the rider? Anyone, please. How is the feeling of the rider? Or what's going on in the stock well, basically that's a letter, yeah, that's a personal letter written by somebody to her friend. Dia nulis surat untuk temannya tuh. Tapi dibuatnya dalam bentuk video. dibacakannya. Biar temannya bisa nonton kapan aja. Kalau misalnya, mau nonton. What's going on in the video? Do you get the video? Dapat nggak the meaning or the context of the video? Kira-kira tadi yang 5 menit itu tentang apa, nak?
Giving support, sir.
Apa, Ju?
Giving support, sir.
Giving support. Ya, bagian yang mana? In which sentence that you remember? Bagian mana tuh? Kalimatnya yang mana katanya? Masih kan nggak, Ju?
Apa, sir? Believe yourself because I believe you.
Believe yourself because I believe you. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Ju. Ada lagi yang lain? Maybe different opinion or different ideas with Juju? No? Okay. Dwi, do you want to say something? Maybe question number 2 or both of them?
Yang menulis pesannya itu kayak kangen gitu sama sahabatnya, sir.
Okay, so she miss a friend. Ya, kangen dia. Missing a friend. Okay. Thank you, Dwi, for that response. Well, let's now move, everyone. So, well, basically now we are not really write letters to friends, but we change it into, using the technology like the WhatsApp or a social media, atau sometimes you use the email. Even now we have the, like this one, the virtual meeting using the Zoom or any platform. Kan biasanya sekarang udah kayak gitu. But sometimes, no matter what, writing letter is somehow different, by the way. The feeling is just different. So you also can use this, the template, in the email letter someday when you have friends, somewhere from abroad. Then you only have their email. Kalau misalnya cuma punya emailnya aja, then you can just send them, an email, to check their condition and just say hello, to send updates or whatever. Nah, number 1, it is called as the, ini apa nih kira-kira, nak? Yang ini apa nih kira-kira? Masih ingat nggak? Ini bagian apa nih? This is the address, ya. Do not forget to write the address. That is the inside address and the addressee. Kalau untuk Indonesia, jangan buat jalan jadi street, jangan buat misalnya jalan veteran jadi veteran street. Ya tulis aja jalan veteran nomor berapa, complete, ya. And then the zip code atau kode posnya juga jangan lupa. Nah, kalau di this one in the US, dia biasanya nama jalannya dia ada nomornya sama jalannya, pakai Grand Avenue atau apa. And then ini ada states-nya, kemudian ada singkatan state-nya, CA for California. Kalau misalnya dia Illinois jadi IL gitu. And then ini kode posnya, zip code-nya. And then this is the country. Okay, and then let's move down. We have this one for the writing, a date, ya, untuk nulis tanggal. Take a look at this one. Ada 2 jenis. You can use the British, you can use the American style. Kalau British itu sama kayak Indonesia deh. Tanggal dulu, date-nya dulu, and then month, and then the year. But for American, change. The month-nya dulu, baru date, and then the year. Okay. Then this is how you can start. Yang pasti di awal ada salutation, ya, salam dulu. Dear my friend, dear my love, whatever. And then for this one you can use this to start your letter. How are you? How it been? How's life treating you? Or whatever, asking or checking their condition. And then this is the closing sentence. Nanti di akhirnya bisa I'm looking forward to seeing you. Nggak sabar. So looking forward here means tidak sabar. Yeah, I'm looking forward to, and then group A. And then you can say I can't wait to see you soon, or whatever you name it here. Yeah, there are a lot of different closing sentences that you can, put in your letter or your email. And then this one is the complimentary close. Ya, ini salam penutupnya. Best wishes, best, kindly, kind regards, best regards, lot of love, atau lain-lain yang lebih close to your friend. Nah, this is different. Yeah, we talked about this in the previous meeting. What's the difference between the formal and the informal? So basically for the informal, it's inviting someone that you really know and thanking, apologizing, asking for advice, sending updates, dan sebagainya. Formal letters, nanti kita akan belajar sedikit formal letters tentang di kelas 12 sebenarnya. Tapi fokusnya di application letter or cover letter. And then ada juga yang namanya semi-formal, so it's a combination between the formal and the informal letter. So the tone is, in the middle, in between of the formal and informal letters. And then for this one, you can use the semi-formal tone for a complaint to your landlord, kepada ibu kos atau bapak kosnya yang punya sewa. And then explaining to neighbor of something, asking professors, that's semi-formal actually. And then, this one the characteristic, you can see it, yeah. For the formal, you can write this way, but the informal, simply feel free to send their names, and you also can adjust the ending, sesuaikan juga sama endingnya. Look at the different, yeah. Formal to someone you haven't met, whose name you don't really know. But the formal is someone you know very well, you know their name and you know how to call them. That way. Now, this is important. This is actually how to write the letter. Ini yang penting nih, gimana cara buat letternya. Look, take a look at the letter. Ada yang bisa bantu saya baca ini suratnya? Please. Somebody, please help me reading the letter out loud. Kuat-kuat nak? Ada? Siapa? Halo? Halo? Somebody please be volunteer. Ada yang bisa tolong dibacakan letternya, suratnya? Halo? Suara saya kedengaran? Am I still here?
Saya.
Oh iya, please. Silakan, nak. Please write for us here. Siapa tadi? Aul. Kelihatan, Ul?
Dear Ken, yes sir.
Dear Ken, I'm so glad to know that you are currently visiting my city for some work. I also hope that you are managing to do your job without any trouble. I am so looking forward to meeting you. I had always wanted to invite you to visit me and my city after meeting you about 6 months ago. But because of my busy work schedule, I couldn't do so yet. But now that you are already in my city, I don't really want to let pass this opportunity to invite you. In fact, I want to invite you to my home in order to enjoy some dinner with me next Saturday, which would be the 12th of September. As for location, I live only about 15 minute drive away from your hotel. All you need to do is to head towards the west on Highway 9 and drive about 10 minutes to reach Edmond. After reaching Edmonds, drive about 5 minutes on Fuller Fuller Road towards the north until you reach the Midway Mall. My home is right behind the mall, but don't hesitate to call me if you have any trouble finding my location. Hope to see you soon then. Warm wish.
Home wishes. Oke, thank you all. Dear Kane. Jadi suratnya untuk siapa?
Untuk Kane, sir.
Ya, Kane ya, suratnya untuk Kane. Jadi Kane ini adalah addresinya, yang ditujunya si Kane. Suratnya untuk si Kane. Now, so if you check the prompt here, coba lihat ini ada prompt tulisannya. You made a friend when you visited another city a few months ago. This friend has come to your city for some work and will stay for another week. You want to invite this friend to your home for dinner. Nah, jadi dia punya kawan, kebetulan kawannya lagi ada di kota tempat kita tinggal, and then kita mau invite untuk dinner. Well, so the prompt is to write a letter to your friend. In your letter, express how you feel about him visiting your city. Invite the friend to your home for dinner. Give location, blah blah blah. Nah, so take a look at these clues. Coba lihat clue-nya ada 3 nih, prompt-nya. Ada 3 poin yang mau dijelasin yang mau ditulis di suratnya. I am wondering if you notice, ada nggak poin-poin 3 ini di suratnya? Kalau ada, di paragraf yang mana, nak? Yang pertama, express how you feel about him or her visiting your city. Itu di paragraf berapa? Ada nggak?
Ada, sir.
Paragraf berapa? Which paragraph?
Sir. Paragraf 2, sir.
Paragraf 2. Paragraf 2 udah mulai dari yang mana tuh? Which sentence? Kalimatnya yang mana? Ayo, yang mana tuh? Express how you feel. Dia nunjukin feeling-nya, feel-nya about.
Dari I want, sir.
Yang pertama, sir.
Paragraf yang mana?
Paragraf
pertama ya. Paragraf pertama yang pertama express the feeling, itu paragraf pertama ya. Lihat, dia langsung nunjukin nih. I'm so glad, I'm so happy that you are currently visiting my country for some work. Saya senang nih kalau kamu datang ternyata di sini, ada di sini. Nih yang pertama, express how you feel about him visiting your country. Jadi langsung I'm so happy you're here. Okay, and then expectation, ini bahasa basi lah. Mudah-mudahan selesai cepat kerjaannya ya. Nggak sabar nih mau jumpa. I'm so looking forward to meeting you. Nggak sabar nih mau jumpa. And then yang kedua, invite the friend. Paragraf yang mana?
2, sir.
Second paragraph.
Paragraf, sir.
I always wanted to invite you to visit me and my city after blah blah blah. Dia mau invite friend, mau diundang. Ini ya. I want to invite you to my home for dinner. Kapan? Dikasih tahu nih kapannya. Good. And then the last supposed to be the last paragraph, paragraf ketiga. As for my location, dikasih tahu lokasinya di mana. Karena ini dia mintanya give location. Oke. Now, from this, ya nanti kalau misalnya ada tugas menulis, writing or whatever, writing assignment, what you need to do is pay attention on the prompt given. Lihat dulu promptnya, lihat dulu tugasnya apa yang diminta. Kalau diminta di sini 3 poin, and then you have to write them into 3 points. Jadi 3 poinnya harus ada. So you can get maximum score for your writing score. Tapi kalau misalnya writingnya cuman, misalnya yang di writing kalian cuman 1 poin atau 2 poin, sementara yang diminta ada 3, berarti akan ada minus point. Because you don't really understand the prompt, okay? So that's for the clue or the trick for the writing assignment. Nah, this is the content. Ya, jadi ini masuk ke kontennya. And then the last, take a look at closingnya. Hope to see you then. So this one to show that the good vibe that he can't wait to meet his friend, teman dan friends, and then the complimentary close-nya warm wishes. Jadi you can use it. Terus biasanya di bawah ini ada apa? Setelah warm wishes biasanya di bawah ada apa?
Nama pengirimnya, Sir.
Ya, the sender, ya, nama pengirimnya. Don't forget to write your name or even signature dulu baru name. Kalau dia in writing. Alright. Any questions? No? Clear ya, nak? So, so for today, for writing letter, jangan lupa di awalnya harus ada apa? Inside address-nya dulu, kemudian addressinya. Pertama alamat penulis, kemudian addressinya yang dituju, and then the salutation, ya, salamnya, baru the content or the body. Setelah badinya ada complimentary close, baru your signature, and then your name. That's basically the elements of the letters that you need to understand. So it's gonna be your assignment, for today. This is our assignment. Ini assignment terakhir dari saya. Saya harap selesaikan 1 minggu ini. Again, kalau misalnya bisa selesai minggu ini, saya bisa langsung share nilai kalian ke gurunya nanti untuk pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Because this is our last meeting, So make sure you finish it as soon as possible. This week. As usual, the Padlet is there. Okay, so write your letter here in the Padlet. I already put it. I already classify you based on your class. Jadi berdasarkan kelasnya. Assignment-nya ini, prompt-nya ini, this is the prompt, yang di atas ini prompt-nya. You have recently moved to different house, and you want to give news to your English-speaking friend in another country. Baru aja pindah rumah, terus mau ngabari temannya. Write to your friend in your letter, explain why you have moved. Berarti nanti pertama jelasin kenapa pindah. And then the second, describe the house. Jelasin gimana sih rumahnya, and then the last, invite your friend to come and visit you. Okay? Any questions about this stuff? No?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you for today. Keep practicing. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. See you when I see you.
Thank you, sir.